Hello, Scorpio. How are you? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your August career, money, and business reading. Also, would like to add, please subscribe to my channel if you do like what I do. So, let's see what the card have for Scorpio here. Six of Pentacles. So, Six of Pentacles is like card of saving, you're saving some amount of money slowly and slowly. So this is what I feel for. Also card of philanthropy, like working for underprivileged, helping the poor, helping the undertrodden, people who do not have so much. You are trying to also help them. So I feel Six of Pentacles is very good card here. Although whatever you have, you are saving money, and also you are doing some charity or helping others with your money. So very nice, Scorpio. Let's see. 10 of Rods. So here I feel you are really burdened with a lot of work. I feel with after the Mercury retrograde, in June, here you the work for Scorpio, because I do remember your reading. You got the same 10 of Rods in that reading too. It's a lot of hard work. You are on your toes. You do not know. You do not have. You have every now. You're working. The day and night, and it's like you really need to cut down on your work. Otherwise, you are gonna end up with health issues. So a lot of health problems, lot of stress. It will cause anxiety. It might cause depression. So please cut down on the work. Delegate your work to your subordinates if possible. So put down that weight, heavy weight. Also need to practice meditation, yoga, and taking walk. Also listening to calming music, which will soothe your nerves. Cut down the negative things. That is what I feel. Unburden yourself should be a priority, Scorpio, for you. To an extent, it will help you. Six of Swords. Now, some of you are moving away to another place here. So, some of you maybe are getting a job and you are relocating to some other place. It could be, whether it could be a state, interstate travel, or somewhere within your own, area. But definitely, you are locating. And you are locating to a better place. I mean, maybe the previous job, if there's a job change, you're going for a better job, or even if you for a business, it did not work out in a certain place, and you are moving to a place where it is going to be better for you, Scorpio. So new associations, new things will sparkle, and will shine like genius. So that is what I feel is with the Six of Swords here. Ace of Rods. So new beginnings. That's what I feel. So moving away with new situations, Ace of Rods. Whatever you take now, whatever you do now will bear fruit slowly. It will grow, it will expand. So this is what with Ace of Rods. So put in an effort, put on the action thing, and you will see growth and expansion. Also, if you invest money now, Scorpio, it is going to grow. Take all the information, and investments will give good returns. What I feel here. Four of Cups. So this is talking about being focused. I feel that this is like you are sometimes you tend to get distracted, and you should regain your focus, because there is that is Four of Cups. It helps. There are people around you who will be of help to you. I mean, I feel it could be regarding your office stress also. Delegating work to your subordinates, it cuts down your stress. Working as a team, and giving their own part of the job to be done by them. So it will help you cut down your stress, and you will not get into this anxiety and stressful situation with health risk. Also, I feel that new ventures. Some of you, and when with this Ace of Rods, embarking on new ventures, and new you have this new intensity. You want to explore new horizons. You want to tap the power, power of resources. You want to tap new resources. So that is what with this, maybe a new knowledge also. You want to gain knowledge, or going to a class or taking up a program. So this is what I feel for with this Ace of Rods. Ten of Cups. Overall happiness. Overall, with the family, it's going great. I mean, you are happy with the way with family. Kids are happy. You are taking good care of their needs, emotional needs, financial needs. So it's a happy situation in August at home. At least I feel you are partying, you are celebrating, you are going for ceremonies, you are attending weddings. Some of you, I mean, there are gatherings. So I feel you are having a good time at home. Work is a little stressful. It is not a little, it is quite stressful. But family wise, family time, you are also devoting on that. So I feel your kids are happy with you. They are your spouse is happy with you. So this is your card, Scorpio. Ten of Pentacles. Wow. So it's about only family. So I feel you are laying the foundation for a strong financial foundation for your future, because you want the wealth to be passed on to generations here. So some of you are working towards that. So you want to do everything that should get you this complete happiness, extended to passing on your wealth situation here. Also, I feel some of you are investing family money, or you are growing your family business, or for growth, and some of you might be joining your family business for your livelihood. So that is also what I feel, Scorpio, from this. So one more card. Eight of Pentacles. So hard work, I mean, you have already, there is a lot of hard work. You have to work really hard. It shows that you are very much into working, and to reap the benefits or reap the rewards that you are wanting for yourself. You are dedicated, you are focused. I mean, there, what Eight of Pentacles, the most hardworking. I mean, you are climbing up the ladder slowly and slowly. So and because you have the Ten of Pentacles already here. So so you want to reach there with this hard work. You want to reach this situation with this. So you need Eight of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles, and you are here. So you're already here, Scorpio. I mean, some of you are already here. So doing great. That is what I feel, Scorpio. Now we'll just pick up one card. This is the messages from the angels. You can say guidance for your month. This one message will help you float throughout the month. And please practice this will really help you, because as I do manifestation videos, these are slightly, or actually there are little energized cards which with a message. So this is for you. Practical wisdom with calm in distress. So this is your message. Not much to explain here. So have this practical wisdom and be calm. Cut down your stress. Be calm in distress. So for that, the only way is to meditate or do yoga, and cut down, listen to calming music, and also think positive. Positive affirmation helps manifest anything that you want in the world. I mean, all the positive things that you want in the world. So with positive affirmation and focus, you can achieve any success that you are looking for. So that is what I would like to tell you for this month, and we'll see up in the next month reading. And I would like to thank all viewers and subscribers who have subscribed to my channel already. And if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, Indiana 11 Tarot. So thank you so much.